Di ba ang saya kapag meron kang binili, tapos hindi mo naman nagamit, makukuha mo ulit yung binayad mo? That's exactly what this plan is all about. Hi, I'm Cathy. I'm a Sun Life Financial Advisor for 5 years, and I help my clients acquire the right insurance plan through smart financial planning. So let me tell you about Save and Protect Plan. Napaka-straightforward lang ng benefits nito at madaling intindihin. Number 1, you are covered na for the next 20 years and you can choose to pay pa kung 5 or 10 years lang. Perfecto sa mga naghahanap ng limited pay at hindi habang buhay na magbabayad. Number 2, sobrang budget-friendly nitong plan dahil you can start for as low as 2,500 pesos per month. And that's only 83 pesos per day. Diba? Super affordable. Number 3, so eto na nga yung sinasabi ko, guarantee na makukuha mo ang 100% refund ng total premiums paid mo if hindi nagamit. Meaning, di ka kinuha ni Lord or walang nangyaring claim. Ibabalik sa'yo lahat ng binayad mo. Diba ang saya? May insurance ka na, may refund ka pa. If you want to know more about Save and Protect Plan, send me a message or talk to your Sun Life Financial Advisor today. Bye!